In this presentation, I'm going to show you 5 proven benefits you can gain when you practice gratitude in your life that will motivate you to give thanks year-round. It's nice for you to count your blessings on Thanksgiving. Being thankful all year can have a tremendous impact on your quality of life. Cultivating gratitude doesn't cost you any money and doesn't take a ton of time, but the benefits are enormous. Here are 5 proven benefits of gratitude. Opens the door to more relationships. According to a 2014 study, saying thank you doesn't only constitute good manners, but can help you win new friends. The study determined that thanking a new acquaintance can make them more likely to seek to start an ongoing relationship. Acknowledging others' contributions can lead you to new opportunities. Improves physical health. Grateful people tend to experience fewer aches and pains, according to a study published in 2012. People that practice gratitude also reports feeling healthier, since they are more likely to take better care of their health. They tend to exercise more often and are more likely to attend regular checkups. Improves sleep. Regularly writing in a gratitude journal has been shown to help promote sleep. Spending just 15 minutes every night jotting down what you're grateful for will help you to sleep better and for longer, according to a study published in Applied Psychology, Health and Well-Being in 2011. Enhances empathy and reduces aggression. People who practice gratitude are more likely to behave in a pro-social manner, even when other people act less kind. Grateful people are less likely to retaliate when given negative feedback and tend to experience more sensitivity and empathy towards others. Increases mental strength. Not only has it been shown that gratitude will reduce stress, but it may also play a role in one's ability to overcome trauma. Being able to recognize all that you have to be thankful for, even in the worst times of your life, has been shown to foster resilience. In fact, in 2003, a study found that gratitude was a significant contributor to resistance following the terror attacks on September 11th. Everyone can cultivate gratitude. It merely takes dedicating a few moments every day to focus on everything that you have in your life, rather than complaining about the things you think you deserve. One of the simplest ways to improve your satisfaction with life is to develop an attitude of gratitude.